Hey guys, welcome back to DIY Corner. It's me, Zach, and today for Australia Day I'm going to be making a koala in a billabong. The things you will need are blue jelly, clear plastic cups, flag or umbrella toothpicks, and caramello koalas. To start with, follow the directions on the back of your jelly. After you put in the jelly powder, put in a cup of hot water and then add 200 milliliters of cold water. And now we put them in the fridge. Once your jelly has set, then you need to add on top a caramello koala and one of your toothpicks. It would be better to have the flag toothpicks, but we couldn't find them, so we've just got the umbrella ones. I think they look quite nice actually. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like it, subscribe it, and comment down below anything you'd like to see next week. Bye!
3, 2, 1, G, go.
G. To start with, follow the directions. Oh! I'll tilt that up a little bit. Get a spoon.
I'll go get it.
I'm gonna spill this everywhere. I really want to eat you.